This outdoor pizza oven delivers 8-in-1 functionality, perfect for pizza, smoked meats, and more. It cooks Neapolitan or pan pizzas in just 3 minutes at 700 degrees Fahrenheit, achieving brick oven quality. Roast a 12-pound turkey or 9-pound pork shoulder effortlessly. With temperature control from 105 to 700 degrees Fahrenheit, you can bake, roast, or dehydrate with precision. Ideal for outdoor cooking enthusiasts, it combines versatility and quality at a price of $299. Crafted for durability, this headstand mixer features a sturdy metal build and a 4.5-quart stainless steel bowl, capable of mixing up to 8 dozen cookies in one batch. The tilt head design allows easy ingredient addition, while 10 speeds ensure precise mixing, kneading, and whipping for any recipe. With over 10 included attachments, create anything from pasta to ice cream effortlessly. Perfect for all your baking needs, it's available at $250. This digital meat thermometer ensures precision cooking for perfectly done meals. Its large auto-rotating, backlit display suits left or right-handed use, even in dim light. Featuring motion sensing technology, it turns on when picked up and powers down when set aside, conserving battery life. Delivering accurate readings in just 3 to 4 seconds, it's a must-have tool for cooking enthusiasts. Available at only $25, it makes meal prep stress-free and efficient. Keep your kitchen organized with this push towel hook. Measuring 1.7 inches, it securely holds dish towels or rags without taking up counter space. Simply push towels into the hook to hang them and pull them out when needed. It offers 2 installation options: adhesive backing for smooth surfaces or screws for added durability. Practical and space-saving, this hook is priced at an affordable $12. Perfect for chefs and bakers alike, this cooking torch offers an adjustable flame and gas flow regulator for precision. Reaching up to 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit, it's great for searing, caramelizing, and lighting fires. The built-in finger guard ensures safety during use. Ideal for versatile tasks like crafting or culinary needs, it combines functionality and safety at a price of $21. Simplify meal prep with this manual food chopper. Equipped with 3 stainless steel blades, it chops vegetables, garlic, and herbs with ease. Adjust texture from coarse to fine by pulling the string a few times. Its durable PS material cup is dishwasher safe, and the anti-skid rubber base ensures stability while chopping. Compact, efficient, and priced at $13, it's a perfect kitchen tool. Transform your space with this moving sand art piece, a 360-degree rotating decoration that creates unique, non-repeating landscapes with every flip. Its calming motion relieves stress and eye fatigue, making it ideal for relaxation after long hours of screen time. Perfect for home or office decor, it's available for just $12, combining artistry and tranquility. Cut fruits and veggies quickly with this handheld Mandoline Slicer. Adjustable blades let you choose slice thickness, from thin to thick, making it perfect for salads, side dishes, or snacks. Designed for safety and ease of use, it's simple to clean and saves time in the kitchen. Priced at $14, it's a must-have tool for meal prep enthusiasts. Keep food fresh longer with this compact vacuum sealer kit. Featuring a powerful suction system and long-lasting battery, it handles up to 500 cycles. Portable and convenient, it includes lids and a USB-C cable, perfect for home or travel. With one-click operation, it seals jars or bags in just 15 to 35 seconds. Ideal for jams, sauces, and more, it's priced at $27. Add vibrant color to your space with these LED strip lights. Display multiple colors simultaneously and customize settings via an app for brightness and mood. With a music sync mode, the lights dance to your favorite tunes, perfect for celebrations. Featuring over 64 preset scenes, it's easy to create the ideal atmosphere. Available for $15, these lights bring any space to life. Enjoy endless fun with this ball bouncing game, perfect for all ages and group settings. Bounce the ball off all 5 sides of the cube to improve hand-eye coordination. The set includes a cube, 2 balls, party game cards, and a combo sheet for added excitement. Compact and portable, it's ideal for indoor or outdoor play. Priced at $25, it's a great addition to any game collection.